and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a half double crochet border. So this video is part of my border series, so if you haven't seen one or two yet, definitely check it out. I'll leave the links in the description box below. And so for this tutorial, you're just going to need your current project, just your current whip, or you can also make a swatch. I have a swatch here using the Suzette stitch, and I used We Crochet Dishes yarn. I used the color Inland for my border for my second color, and for the main swatch I used the color Swan, and I also used a 4.0 millimeter crochet hook. Some other things you might need is just a pair of scissors to cut your yarn, and you might find a stitch marker helpful when making the borders of your project. Alright, let's get started on how to make a half double crochet border. So our first step in making a half double crochet border is to add our second color yarn. So on your crochet project, you want to go ahead and find your first stitch on the right, so that'll be your last row that you worked, and you want to go ahead and take your crochet hook and insert it into that last stitch. Then take your second color yarn and you're just going to drape it over the crochet hook like so, and then you're going to carefully pull through. Now you want to take your working yarn and you want to go ahead and chain 2 for half double crochet. So 1 and 2. And then you can carefully take your tail end and then pull it tight. All right. So now what we want to do is we want to make a half double crochet in that first stitch where you added your yarn. So go ahead and wrap your yarn over your hook, insert it into that same stitch, then yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And there you go. Now you've made a half double crochet. So now what you want to do is, for your half double crochet border, is you want to continue to work a half double crochet in each stitch. So in my case, I just have a swatch made using the Suzette stitch, and so I'm going to work a half double crochet in each stitch until I reach the end over here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I will meet you towards the end. So I've just completed my half double crochet border on top, and so now I'm at a corner. Now for the corners, you want to make 3 half double crochets in the same stitch. All right, so I went ahead and made my first one, and so now I just want to make 2 more half double crochets in that same stitch. Now, if you find that the border is rounding or it's curving, you can always add an extra half double crochet stitch. Okay, so once you've made 3 half double crochets in that stitch, then you want to just go ahead and work half double crochets on the side. Okay, so now we're going to work our crochet stitches on the side for our border. So I'm just going to slightly turn my work here, and you just want to make sure that you place 1 half double crochet in each stitch per row. Okay, so I'm working the Suzette stitch here, so my first one would be right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and work a few so you can see what it looks like. Okay, and this is my second row. And then my third one. All right, just so that you can see how it should look like. All right, so here it is. And like I said before, if you find that this part over here is rounding, you can always add an extra half double crochet stitch. This part right here will even out once you've made more of it as well. Okay, so this is what it should look like, and then you just want to continue to do that until the end of the row. And so I'm just going to continue mine till I get to my corner over here. All right, so I've just finished my corner and I've worked 3 half double crochets. So I'm just going to continue working my border all the way along my swatch, and then I will meet you right here and I will show you what to do at the end. Okay, so I'm here towards the end of my row, and I have to make 2 more half double crochets because you have to make 3 in a corner, and I already have one here from when I started, from where I added my yarn. Okay, so go ahead and make 2 more half double crochets. All right, so I went ahead and did that. And so now all you want to do to finish it off is just to make a slip stitch to the first stitch. You can also make a slip stitch to the second chain. So insert your hook yarn over, pull through, and then pull through one more time. And there you go. So now all we have to do is just finish off our work, and then we're completely done with our border. All right, so I just went ahead and cut my yarn, and then all you want to do is just yarn over and pull through to finish off your work. And there you go. Now you have a really pretty half double crochet border. All right, everyone, I really hope you enjoyed this crochet border tutorial. Don't forget, you can always take a look at the blog post. The link for that will be in the description box below. And as always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!